Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can merge PDFs in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, open Canva and then you're going to click on uploads over here. After that, you'll be able to see a button that says upload files. Simply click on upload files and select the PDFs that you wish to add. So I'm going to add this one and I'm going to select another PDF over here. That is this one. After that, simply wait for the PDFs to get loaded. So once the PDFs are uploaded, you gotta open both of these PDFs over here. Simply check both of these and upload it over here. So once both of the PDFs are loaded like this, you gotta simply click on share at the top right. And then you'll be able to see a couple of options over here. But you gotta click on the button that is download. Click on download and you gotta select file type as PDF standard. You can select whether you want to compress PDF, flatten PDF, include notes, or any other thing that you want. And once done, you gotta simply click on download. And that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.